Still typing subtitles one by one? Stop wasting hours. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to generate subtitles automatically using Shotcut's built-in AI speech-to-text feature powered by Whisper AI. No extra software, no paid subscriptions, just Shotcut. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Import your video. Open Shotcut and create a new project. Click Open File and select your video. Drag your video onto the timeline. Make sure your audio is clear because better audio gives more accurate subtitles. Step 2. Open the Subtitle panel. At the top of Shotcut, click View. Select Subtitles if the panel isn't already visible. You'll now see the Subtitles panel appear. Step 3. Generate AI subtitles. In the Subtitles panel, click Detect Speech or go to Subtitles Speech to Text. If this is your first time using the feature, Shotcut may ask you to download a Whisper AI model. Choose the recommended model and let it download. Next, select the language spoken in your video. If your version supports it and your computer has a compatible GPU, you can enable Use GPU for faster transcription. Finally, click Start. Shotcut will first extract the audio and then use Whisper AI to convert the speech into subtitles automatically. Step 4. Edit the subtitles. Once the process is complete, all your subtitles will appear in the Subtitles panel. Read through each subtitle carefully. Correct any spelling mistakes. Split or merge subtitles if needed. You can also adjust the timing by dragging the subtitle edges in the timeline. Remember, AI is very accurate, but it's always a good idea to review the results before exporting. Step 5. Burn the subtitles into your video. If you want the subtitles to always appear in your video, select the output track. Open the Filters panel. Click the plus button. Search for Subtitle Burn In and add it. Your subtitles are now permanently embedded into the video. You can adjust the font, size, position, outline, and colors to match your video style. Step 6. Export your video. Click Export. Leave the default H.264 preset selected unless you need another format. Choose where to save your video. Click Export File and wait for the render to finish. Congratulations! Your video now includes AI-generated subtitles. And that's how easy it is to create subtitles using Shotcut's built-in Whisper AI. What used to take hours can now be done in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Shotcut tutorials, and leave a comment below with what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.